Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to comment anonymously on a Facebook group. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, things to keep in mind: make sure that the Facebook group you're trying to comment anonymously got one setting enabled. Okay, so I'm going to show you the settings right here. And if you want to as well, you can let the owner of the group to enable this setting as well, so everyone can comment anonymously. So as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead over to group settings. Now under manage discussions, we have anonymous participation. Okay, by default this one is enabled. Okay, so what we'll do is just go ahead and click on edit right here. If it's disabled, make sure that this one is turned on. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and log into the other account. Now, as you can see, I am now logged in. So what we'll do, as you can see here, we now have the anonymous post option. So let's go ahead and try anonymous post. Create anonymous post. As you can see here, we now is an anonymous participant. Okay, test, submit. Now here we have it. As you can see, we now have the comment as anonymous participant option. That's basically it. Now I'm going to try to log back into the other account. As you can see, when we try to comment in this specific post, you cannot add your own anonymous comment. You can only add your anonymous comment if you are the one who created the anonymous post. Now, the other option, if you want to comment anonymously on a Facebook group, is that you make sure that your account is locked or your Facebook profile is locked. Now, if you don't know how to lock your profile, we do have a separate video for that. You can go ahead and check it out on our channel. But that's it for now. That is how you comment anonymously on a Facebook group. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.